Everyone, welcome to my channel Kirti Sharan. So I am here today to explain you about integers class 7 exercise 1.2 second sum, that is minus 12 into brackets open minus 4 plus of minus 6, that is equal to minus 24 into minus 4, these are within brackets, plus of minus 21 into minus 6, this is also in brackets. So this sum we are going to solve through BODMAS. BODMAS means nothing but brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. By this you can clearly observe that brackets first open, next order means any squares or anything will be there, no? That one we have to do, next division, that next multiplication, next addition, next subtraction, from left to right we have to do. Let us see this sum. So minus 22 into minus 4 plus of minus 6. So first in brackets we will solve. So minus 4 minus 6. Minus 4 minus 6 means both are minus, you have to add it. So minus 10 will come. Minus 21 as it is you will write. So last finally minus 21 into 10 means 210, minus into minus plus. Like that, if you come this side, no, minus 21 into minus 4, these are in square brackets, no. This one first you have to solve, and next these square brackets will be there, no. This one first you have to solve. So if you solve this, no, minus into minus plus, again 2 minus, if you multiply it will become plus. So 21 into 4 means 84. 21 into 6 means 126, and minus into minus means plus will come. So if you add these two, 210 will come. So 210 is equal to 210. So this equation is equal to this equation. So next the third sum is, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? Minus 1 into a is equal to minus a, because here if you take here it is plus, no. So minus into plus, minus 1 into a, very simple answer. So next in that third only second sum, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. So minus 22, how you have to write? So with using minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 22. So if you multiply these two, no, minus plus will come. 1 into 22, 22 will come. Next 37, if you take, no, if you take minus 1, no, so minus 1 into 37, that is equal to minus into, here it will be plus. So minus into plus, minus 1 into 37, 37 will come. If you take 0 for minus 1, no, minus 1 into 0 is equal to, directly it is 0. So this is the easiest pattern by using BODMAS. So BODMAS యూస్ చేసి మనం చాలా ఈజీగా ఈ సమ్స్ అనేవి సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చండి. సో బ్రాకెట్స్ ఫస్ట్ బ్రాకెట్స్ ఏమొచ్చి ఓపెన్ చేసి ఉన్న బ్రాకెట్స్ని ఫస్ట్ సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటాం. సాల్వ్ చేసుకొని మిగిలిన మల్టిప్లై చేస్తామంటే చాలా ఈజీగా ఆన్సర్స్ అనేవి వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఈ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ కామెంట్. If you are having any doubt, subscribe my channel. Thank you.